All right, we're right here in the middle of Fort Jefferson, Dry Tortugas National Park, and I was able to see my life bird list nemesis, the brown noddy, by the hundreds on the way into port here. So I'm just going around the interior of the fort, trying to identify all of the bird species that I can. The first bird that I identified on the interior here was a yellow-billed cuckoo. There's a mosquito eating my hand right now. Okay. So here's a glimpse of the fort. A couple of magnificent frigate birds soaring over the fort. Some cattle egrets, some live cattle egrets in the distance. Cannon on top of the fort. And then there's the entrance under the flag. Alright, let's see what we can come up with.